Good day, mga my love. Good morning, everyone. NB Store, good lovers. So, check it out this beautiful hardware Tiffany necklace. So, today, this is size 16. This is only 14.6 grams. And this with charm, this is size 18 inches. And this is only 20.8 grams, size 18. And also available with Beast Bangle. This is size 17 and this is only 9.7 grams. And my earrings is only 2.8 grams. And also we have an available also ring. So the ring is size 7 and size 8 available. So Fiin is the key of Inforly away. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.